How to add the Quick Note widget to the home screen for quick access to your most recent Quick Note on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on the Edit button, and from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Then in here, we scroll down and tap on Notes. After that, swipe to the left until you see it's a quick note. So in here, we have a small size widget and a large size widget. And here's a get quick access to your most recent quick note. So tap on the widget and then tap on Add Widget, and that will get added to your home screen. Now you can tap on the widget itself. Now it doesn't do anything, so tap on Done. So this widget will basically display the most recent note that you have worked on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.